Namaste and welcome, beautiful friends. I am inviting you to Stockholm, where I will have a course in the art of relaxation. How you can be totally relaxed in every moment in life, how you can work with your mind and emotions, how you can have peace of mind, how you can act and behave peacefully in every moment in life. So the 18th of September will I have an evening where I will go through the art of relaxation. On the 19th and the 20th I will have the full course in central of Stockholm. So I will teach you and guide you how to live in a relaxed way. Today we live in uncertain times. Many people are worried. We're thinking about the future. Our emotions are stuck in the past. And this causes stress. Stress in mind. Stress in body. So how can you learn how to live peacefully within yourself when stressful situations comes to you in life? How you can learn how to go into deep relaxation every day? How to practice proper meditation to achieve this peace within, because this peace within is there all the time. We are not fully contact with our soul or our heart, so we spend much time in the mind. We think a lot. We think a lot, and many of those thoughts are very negative. It's not thoughts that are taking us forward or liberating us, because we are attached to those thoughts and the fear, the doubt, the anxiety in the future, the traumas in the past. So those events that we create with our mind or have experienced before comes up for a few moments, or they come for a longer time, and we feel them, right? We feel them emotionally, mentally, and we can also feel them in our body. So we become stressed. The blood pressure is high, the heart is beating faster, and we are not breathing properly. So when we learn how to breathe more in a correct manner, we can learn how to still our mind and come into a deeper peace within ourselves. But it takes practice, and we need to learn how to use the right techniques and how to attune ourselves to our soul and our heart, so we can start to live peacefully in a relaxed way in every moment in life. So this is what I will do in Stockholm. I will guide you, if you want to come, to experience the peace within, and how you can learn how to live peacefully and relaxed in every moment in life. We all go through things. It was once a master. He got a question from his disciple, and he asked him, How is it to be enlightened? And the master replied, it's still a misery. And the disciple couldn't grasp it. He couldn't understand what the master meant. So the master said, I also experience things and events what we call misery. But the difference is I'm not attached to it. I don't get involved into it. But you do, my dear disciple. And that is the difference. The difference is that every human being experience misery from mind, from emotions, from events, from karmic things that are coming to us. But as we grow and we become to master our mind, we master our emotions, we live from heart, we will not be attached to the things that we can call misery or hard things that life provides us with. We are not attached to them, so they come and they go. They come and they go. Just like the clouds, they come and they go. The blue sky is not attached to the clouds. The blue sky is there just relaxing, no matter what clouds are passing by, or if they are passing by or not. The blue sky is just there all the time. So this is something we can learn to develop in our life. And when we learn to develop that in our life, we can have peace. We can have peace of mind. We can have peace in our emotions and peace in our body. And we can become free. So I welcome you to Stockholm, the 18th, on Friday. There will be an evening of 3 hours, which you can participate on if you like, and then you can come on Saturday and Sunday for 2 full days where I will teach and guide the art of relaxation. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me, and I wish you all a blessed day, a peaceful day. Warm welcome. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you. Namaste. Goodbye.